Today we are in Bayside, Miami. We're going to take a quick stroll through Bayside Marketplace. Let's go.
So this is the parking garage. If you're coming to downtown Miami, come here, 190 Northeast 3rd Avenue, College Station Garage. Especially if you're parking all 24 hours, it's only $16. It's one of the cheapest deals, rated 4.2 on Google. Highly recommend. This is the historic Gesu Catholic Church from 1896. I actually don't know if I pronounced the word Gesu, G-E-S-U. There are plenty of parking garages all around, but we're so happy we found that really well-rated $15 24-hour parking, which is about like 8 minutes away from Bayside. And here we are in front of Bayfront Park. This is Biscayne Boulevard. Yeah, those clouds are coming, but hopefully by this time out here, we will be behind, like in the store area. And welcome to Miami. It is a proper downpour. So yesterday we spent a whole day in Miami Beach. Today it's all about Brickell, and tomorrow you may want to come back and check our channel. We may be checking out some crocodiles or alligators. I always get confused between both. We saw American crocodiles in Panama, in the Panamanian jungle, right where the Panama Canal is, just 4 days ago. And now we're going to take the kids to see the alligators of Florida, which I think is pretty cool.
They just have to beat the fishermen.
Walking through the Bayfront Park, you can actually see the Bayside Mall there, but you know, check out the skyline view, Biscayne Boulevard, food trucks, giant trees. Who's excited to see that 200-year-old tree?
Oh, me, definitely.
Yeah, there's a tree right in the middle. There's actually a picture of
I'm sure many pictures, because every
Yeah.
time we've come to Bayside, we always say hi to that tree.
yeah, they're not banyan trees. I forgot the name of it, but we'll see if there's a tag that we can read. But yeah, we
Is
have.
there no?
Shizu, do you know what the name of these trees are?
No.
A lot of cars will drop you here if you're coming in a taxi, and then you can walk straight in, and the first thing you're gonna see is that giant banyan tree. There's also a bubble gum here as well, and a whole bunch of stalls where you can book your tours. Bayside is also where you can pick your big bus. There's a booth over there, and a big bus parked right here. This is what the Bayside Marketplace looks like from outside. You can see the walkway where all the kiosks are. So we're entering the Bayside, starting with juice bar. I'm actually thirsty already. Yeah, we just tried a sample. This is delicious. Pineapple, coconut, and mango. It's $18, and they put it inside the pineapple. There's a lot of stalls on the side. You can check out shirts for $9, arepas, handmade jewelry. That's the famous Pier 5 restaurant. Look at the size of that fan. It's actually not so crowded, but this place can get pretty crowded pretty quick too. Maybe it's the rain that's driving people away, but you can check out the restaurant and bar. There's a mojito place in the back. Nice seating area that says no outside food and beverage. Here are the Everglades tours, Bahamas tours, Key West tours, helicopter tours. It's the Island Queen cruises, and here is the Bayside boardwalk. Yesterday we were doing Miami Beach boardwalk, and today is the Bayside boardwalk. Families appreciating all the cruise ships. We actually posted a whole lot of videos of a carnival celebration that's all the way in the back. And this is a Scarlet Lady by Virgin Cruises. It's an adults only cruise. no kids allowed on that red boat. And see, Virgin Cruises, see what you're doing? No kids allowed. But we have many, many more choices. Carnival, MSC, Royal Caribbean. But one day when the kids get older, we can go on Virgin and give you guys a tour. It's starting to rain here, but this Miss Miami cruise just came back. It's starting to pour, so we better go find some shade quick. We're walking through a restaurant because it is pouring outside, but check this out. That actually smells delicious. We have a whole bunch of turnovers. They look pretty good. Audience checking out the menu in order to kill some time because of this rain. Everybody's walking into the comic book store. I'm gonna check out some Funko Pops here. If I can find ever a Columbo, the detective, right? Funko Pop, I would be the happiest. So Funko, if you're listening, 1979, like if you have an Elvis Presley one, come on, make a Columbo Peter Falk Funko Pop. Check out all the Funko Pops. $16.99 at the mall. We have left the Funko Pop store, so we wanted to make a walking tour of Bayside. And here we are, stuck on either side by the crazy rain. As we're trying to get to the other side so we can go upstairs and then show you guys, give you guys a little tour of the upstairs. All the kiosks in the middle, I feel bad because they have to like close down until the rain stops. Check this out. So we're gonna walk around. We saw a restaurant, but they didn't really have a proper veggie burger. They had a couple of vegan options for $22. Next up is another restaurant. You wanna go check that restaurant out?
There's also Chili's.
They have Chili's? Oh yeah, you're right. We have Chili's. We've actually been to Chili's before. On our way back from a cruise, we actually came to Chili's. Aldia really likes Chili's. It's a hit or miss for me, but that is our backup option. If we don't see anything amazing, we can come back to Chili's or Five Guys. The next up on our list is Mad About Soccer. That pink shirt hanging in black and pink, that's a Lionel Messi shirt for $100. But for some reason, the Adidas tag, I don't know if it's, maybe they changed it or not real, but we didn't get it. Check out the shoe store. The rain is stopping a little bit, so everybody's on the sidelines. Still raining out there, but you can get a good idea. If you're here on a cruise stopover and you don't want to really do the downtown Brickell or you don't want to do the South Beach, coming to Bayside is a very quick cab ride. Come hang out here. Just make sure that if you're going back to a cruise ship, sometimes traffic in Miami can be bad. I would say leave at least an hour before your comeback time on the cruise ship. Okay, so the boys are gonna go check out Foot Locker. We're gonna go check out the menu in Chili's. Because can you tell him if he wants to go into Foot Locker, we're gonna go check the menu in Chili's, okay? Foot Locker's closed? Okay, so why don't we check the menu in Chili's? There's also Rainbow, which is a cheaper clothing store here. Like, I like the vibe. Even with rain, it's covered. They have fans. You can see the Miami skyline in the back. It's really nice. Let's check how long the wait. Yeah. Alright, guess we decided on Chili's. And funny enough, when we came here years ago, we actually sat in a booth just like this. We sat here when we came back from a cruise. The same table. But here we are, Chili's. So
Royal Caribbean cruise.
it was a pretty safe option. I guess we'll pick you guys up when the food arrives. Okay, so Aldia got her vegan bean burger, bottomless chips. Soupy Boy's having salmon. Kizanisa are having mac and cheese.
And we're all having some chips and salsa with queso.
And yeah, we're all having chips and salsa with queso. So we're gonna, oh, by the way, street corn is actually pretty good. I'm liking my experience at Chili's. Really nice. Meal is done, we're heading out of Chile, and the staff was fantastic. Oh yeah, that was a good meal.
Oh yeah.
And guess what? It stopped raining. So now we can walk around. Look, the sun came out. Now check out the mall from here. They have Champs, some soap, they have Croc store, a boutique, a perfume store, La Cantina up top. The interesting thing about this place is besides Chili's, it actually has a 2.3 rating, although we did really enjoy our meal. The other restaurants, La Cantina, a couple of other joints, have much better rating, 4.8, which is kind of surprising for a mall. Generally malls are not known for their great food, but there's a great Cuban restaurant in this mall with a 4.8 rating. That's the La Cantina Cuban restaurant. Based on the reviews, looks like this is the place to go if you're coming to this mall. La Cantina, next to Chili's. Check out this bakery. Fake eggs and bread, but looks like a nice little bistro with cakes and Polly's Bistro. It's Five Guys. We wanted to go there, but it was pretty crowded, so we're gonna go through this puddle and take you guys downstairs next. A fun fact about this marketplace opened in 1987. So this marketplace is 37 years old. It was actually designed by an architect, I think something Thompson. I just find it fascinating. 37 years old. There's people dancing. On the other side, you have a bunch of boutiques, including Rue de France, Pasha Silver, Le Boutique, V-Stitch, By-Stitch, and a bunch of others. There's also a Bayside logo shop. And it's very loud here. I feel like I need to scream. So if I'm loud, it's because there's loud music behind us. But that's where we were hanging out. That's where all the restaurants are. Black Market also has a really, really good rating. I think that's like 4.8 on Google Maps. So a couple of great places to eat. All your shopping. I'm gonna go check out. There's a giant banyan tree. I think there's a little plaque by this tree. We're gonna read that plaque. Check out this tree. Let's read a little bit about it. It is the Bayside banyan tree. So it measures over 75 feet tall and is about 110 years old. The tree's roots descend from the branches and once on the ground will develop into another trunk. Native to India, many banyan tree seedlings were imported to South Florida in the late 1800s. These trees can grow up to 100 feet in height, so that's 30 meters, and live approximately 1,000 years. If you are not into shopping or food, you can come and check out this impressive banyan tree. We're going to walk out of the Bayside, but we wanted to kind of show you guys a few stars that they have. Magic Mike, Channing Tatum, Kevin James, Kevin James, you know him, right? King of Queens. This is a unique mall, so we highly recommend come check out Bayside in Miami. If you're docked here for a cruise port, you can actually see the cruise ship right behind. It's not far, probably a $20 Lyft or Uber ride to the spot. Come check out the banyan tree, have a nice meal, Cuban, or if you just feel like a chain restaurant, go to Chili's like us. And on this note, we're gonna catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now. Check out the area around Bayside Marketplace too. So in case you're done shopping and you just wanna go for a stroll, there is a giant Bayside Park, Bayfront Park here, or you can like be right on this walkway, go for a walk, check this area out. So guys, this is 110 years old, this tree. And it lives up to 1,000 years. It's even older than you? It's even older than me.